What are we making?
Squishies.
Squishies.
Funny.
We're making squishies.
You might want to go a little gentler than that.
Me or her?
You're going to spill over because it's yellow and red, and it.
I was expecting orange, yeah.
Yeah, and
But
it looks
it just
pink.
probably needs more yellow.
I'm gonna say I want to try. I was gonna try orange.
Oh, you're doing orange too? Cutesy patootsy.
Ooh, like a peachy?
Yeah. It's purpley. Mine kind of turned out.
Something's up.
I added white to mine to get it a little.
It's very potent, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Oh, the red is really potent. We both had to add more blue to our purple, which is usually the opposite of what you have to do.
Yeah. Oh, it's coming. No,
Oh, yours is
it's
really
going orange.
Orange.
She put white in
Looks
hers. It's like a light orange. It's kind of like coral.
So cute. Squishing.
Squishy, 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 squishy.
See Tiffany's fat hamster. Got a little emo.
Oh shit, I dropped the one back of his head. Oh!
Well, maybe now she has to have a hat.
Tiffany looks like she's eating something.
I would.